Define plagiarism.
When you copy.
When you take credit for work and don't cite the giver.
All right. One Team Jacob.
That's too
Woo! All right. List and define one of the 3 types of plagiarism. Yes.
global plagiarism.
Okay, Anne.
You said one of them. Oh, define it? When you copy
All right.
everything.
It's too long. It's going to the next team. List and define. Okay.
Sorry,
Ben.
10 seconds.
No, Ben.
Don't
The one where you like take credit, like you.
You have to raise
No,
your hand.
you're not Ben, sir.
It's been 10 seconds.
No, you go back.
They take longer than me.
Vanessa.
Global plagiarism is when you take credit for the whole thing. Like, it's like word for word.
She betrayed us, I know.
Yes.
Whatever.
Yes.
I'm not allowed.
All right. Now, what's the other 2 types of plagiarism? Yes.
Patchwork and
Does anybody want to say? Incremental. Okay. What is patchwork plagiarism? Yes.
Is that the one where you just take like different seconds like of the like of certain work and you play it at your own?
Yes. Remember the piecing together? Yes. Okay. And what's incremental? Yeah.
Incremental is when.
Can you just come back to our team before we start talking?
I told you I'm very confused. It's when you plagiarize without thinking about it. Like it's almost the same. You just don't cite it, but you use your own words and don't cite it. Right?
All right. For 1 bonus point, what chapter is plagiarism from?
No.
7.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
6.
Chapter 6.
Are you serious?
Is that gonna make sense?
What chapter?
Oh.
It's not chapter.
Open your text and tell me the chapter.
I mean, it says 7 through 9. Why it says 6?
What chapter? Come on. Raise your hand.
I'm pretty sure it's 7.
Chapter 7. All
I'm pretty sure it's 7.
I was 7
First
through
question. First question.
All right. What chapter? All together. What chapter is plagiarism?
7.
7. All right.
Can that be a question in our final? Can that be a question in our final?
Probably not. But, all right. So, what are the 4 things that should be included in an oral citation? 4 things. Have to name all 4 to get points. Ben. 4 things. Vanessa.
The magazine, the author, the year it was published, and the title of the article.
All right. Magazine is not one of them.
Oh, the name source.
You substitute magazine for production.
Well, what's the other 3?
Come on, we got all 3. We got 3 more. We got 1.
Name, article, the title.
Hey.
Hey, this is team effort.
All right, all 4.
It was the
Time
year.
right here.
And time. What? Who's that? Put your hand down.
Date,
Oh, you reading
credentials
it?
and publication.
Yes, say it one more time. 4 things included in an oral citation.
Name, date, publication, and credentials.
Yes.
Name, date, publication, credentials.
Yes. All right, Team Jacob.
Yes.
Oral site, what?
All right, so if there was a question on the exam that asked you to create your own oral citation, they gave you a list of items and said, create an oral citation with this. What would you write?
Wait, what?
What would you write?
Oh.
You'd write the name?
The date?
The date? Yes.
And
The title?
Yes.
And retrieve. Where you get it from? Where you retrieve it.
Oral citation.
Wait, what are we talking
Yeah,
about?
Where it came from.
Oh, credential.
What are the 4 things in an oral citation
Tradition.
altogether?
Oh.
Date, credential, publication.
Yes, so if there was a question on the exam that gave you all of the information and said, here's from the Los Angeles Times, pages 2 and 5, and it gave you the title, it gave you the date, what would you do? Oral citation, what would you look for?
The name, date, publication, and
Credentials.
Credentials. Yes. Perfect. So remember to look for those 4 things.
So again, everyone, what are they?
Yes, Vanessa, go for it. What are they?
What are they? I'm asking them.
Name, credential, publication.
Yes. Right on. Question 4.
I'm not
Which
recording
of the
you.
following is not a demographic?
Oh,
He didn't even read.
Alright, Jeremy?
Style.
Style. Why is style, alright, bonus point. Why is style not a demographic then?
can I raise my hand? Oh, I thought I could.
Yes, right on. Alright,
My
team
style
Edward.
thing is pretty much the same though.
MVP right there.
Which of the following describes logos?
God damn it.
Alright, Daniel.
A, logical. A is blocked out. The logical aspect of an argument.
Awesome. Alright, for an extra point, if I changed logos to blank of the emotional aspect of an argument, what would it be, Daniel?
Pathos.
Yes, take those. Right on. Alright, we have 1 more point.
That's how we pronounce it in the South.
Alright. What is ethos? Yes.
The credibility of the speaker.
Yes.
Go. Mark.
Alright. For an extra point, what are those 3 ethos, pathos, and logos called? What are they called?
I completely forgot.
Marco.
Artistic proof.
Yes!
Damn, Marco!
Alright, awesome. And what chapter is that from?
7, chapter
Yes,
7.
Marco. Chapter 9. Alright.
Nadia.
Awesome. So, what are they called? What, ethos, pathos, and logos. Together, what are they called?
Artistic proof.
Artistic groups. Yes.
And
Awesome.
by who? Who was the fundamentals? Kidding.
Aristotle.
Close enough. They're both old.
They're both Greek.
Alright, good. Okay, now if I said, what's an example of an inartistic proof? Here's a bonus point right now. Yes.
Data.
Yes. Why?
What is?
Well, that was
Inartistic proof.
What was his
He
answer?
said data.
Data and documents.
Yes.
Because it's like proven and can be changed.
Yes. Keyword cannot be changed. We do not have control over it.
One for each team. Woo.
Yay.
That was a bonus
Awesome.
point.
All right.
Senior.
So artistic proofs.
Eco pathos.
Yes. Inartistic proofs.
Data, facts, and statistics.
Yes, right on. So it's the idea of things that we can control and things that we cannot control. So ethos, pathos, and logos are parts of our speaker credibility up here that we can control. Right? So we can control our emotional, persuasive appeal. We can control our logical appeal, and we can control our credibility. But we cannot control documents and statistics. Okay? So a great way to think about this for the exam is that I have all of you sign up for my class, but I have no control over how many men or how many women sign up for my class. It's a nice way to think about inartistic proofs. All right. All right. True or false? In a concept map, you circle topics that have certain things in common and draw a line connecting them to another group of ideas to which they relate.
True.
True? Is that your final answer?
I don't know, you're confusing me. Yes, final answer.
Yes!
Yeah.
All right. List 2 of the 3 types of supporting materials.
Oh,
2 of the 3 types of supporting
I
materials.
know the 3 types. If you think you have it, just raise your hand.
Yes, Vanessa.
Real example, hypothetical example, and brief example? No?
Oh.
Got one.
Me
Oh.
and milk.